Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can search about the application of Messenger and you can click. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.